in the early 1980s, the first mass-produced digital synthesizers looked very different. A researcher at Stanford University discovered a way to make a wide variety of timbres out of just using two oscillators, by using one oscillator to control the other oscillator. Does this pattern sound familiar? This things upon things has been a trend that enables a lot of the explosions in capabilities in technology. And so by using one oscillator, changing the frequency input of another oscillator, it's modulating that frequency knob of this one. Modulating just means change. Frequency modulating, this is frequency modulation synthesis, or FM synthesis. May have gotten a bad rap the way it was used to copy acoustic instruments in the 80s and early 90s. But when it's used in its own right to sound like itself, it has its own distinct sound. So compare this example of the really the iconic Yamaha DX7 synthesizer, and skip around in the video, listen to some of the sounds, see if you can remember what songs you've heard them in, and see how you can put your finger on how a DX7 or a digital FM synthesizer, one of these mass-produced digital synthesizers, sounds different from the synclavier or the CMI, some of these very large and very expensive, more capable digital synthesizers, and how it relates also to the sounds of the analog synthesizer.